Okay, well hello YouTubers. So here we have another interesting bike. This one is from the 90s, circa 1997, 1996, sometime around there. This is a Marin Mount Vision, and no, it's not in original condition. It has had a few parts, well, mostly everything changed, I believe. So we'll go over the spec very quickly. Starting out, the original to the bike, I'm pretty sure it's original to the bike, is this Fox rear shock. It's got the American flag on it, presumably made in America. Has rebound adjustment, no lockout. It's obviously a coil unit, but it all still works. That's rather cool. We have home crankset. Nope, just kidding, this is not original. This is most definitely not original. Holotech 2 was not a thing in 1997, so you know, someone's also painted the chainring, which is rather interesting. Might be original. STX rear derailleur, has a new cable put on there as well. We have a, how many speed? I'm guessing 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 speed rear cassette. The wheels are WPP off of a Carrera that have been stripped down to bare metal, and yeah, they're the ones with the reinforced spoke eyelets. So, ooh, look at that down there. Makes it really good. We have some handlebars. Does I say anything on them? No. Generic black handlebars. Has some gold bottle cage mounts, very nice. We have Shimano Dual LX shifters and brakes all in one, or STI, Shimano Total Integration. And this is how you change gear, up and that's down, so that's pulling the cable. And yeah, that's how they work. They're flippy floppy mountain bike shifters, very good. We have the Mazzocchi suspension forks. These are the Mazzocchi Bomber, well, these MX Pros. I think they're MX Pros. Pretty sure they're MX Pro. Oh yeah, there you go. The MX Pro, proper set of bombers. Missing a sticker on one side, but that's okay. They're an air fork with, well, I believe they're coiled with air assist. So with no air, they'll still work, but you put air in to adjust for your weight basically. So there's a coil spring and air assist. That's basically it. Aluminium crown, of course. No cracks you've got to check on these. These forks are definitely getting to the point where metal fatigue could have taken its toll. I don't think these were heavily used. Looking at them, usually you'll see other warning signs like stanchion wear and stuff like that. Foxes, they stanchion wear before anything else fails, but these, you see stanchion wear on Mazzocchis's, you know they're really well used. So there is that. Something going on with the headset there, not sure what's going on with that. It's all smooth though, so I guess we'll leave it alone. Has ETA, external travel adjustment. So if I flick this, watch what happens. It's like your grandpa after taking the blue tablets. And yeah, pretty cool frames. Aluminium frame, obviously, I forgot to mention that. See the welds there, like a stack of dimes. Very nice indeed. Stop start there, it's not perfect, but it's a bit of a pain to get in. They probably didn't even have short back caps back then for the TIG welder. No, I'm just kidding, they probably did, but yeah, it's just a pain in the butt to get in there. Oh, what's going on here though? Welding's quite nice, but you know, maybe you should have eased off the siders a little bit for that one, or cleaned his welding helmet. Got to polish your helmet. And yeah, Marin Mount Vision, a retro mountain bike from the 90s. Oh no, there is one more thing. You're probably thinking, this is a V-brake bike, how's it got a disc brake on the back? Quite easily, if I flip it over, oh, I don't need to, they've drilled some holes through here and put some screws in like that, so that's not ideal, unfortunately. I'll probably just weld up that and reinstate the original V-brakes, if I'm totally honest. You don't really want brakes to fail when you're going down a hill at 30 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour, or any speed for that matter, so yeah, I mean you've got your front brake, but that's not the point. That could break off and then jam in the actual wheel itself, which would not be fun. So yeah, now that concludes this video of the Marin Mount Vision FRS. Thank you for watching.